Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Mini Cooper. First, gather your essential tools, including a jack stands, an oil drain pan, and a socket set. You will also need about 4.5 to 5 quarts of new full synthetic oil, a new oil filter, and a fresh drain plug washer. For most models, full synthetic SAE 5W30 or 0W30 oil is recommended to ensure optimal engine performance. Now let's get that old oil out. Begin by safely lifting your Mini Cooper using a jack and securing it firmly on jack stands. Next, locate the oil drain plug on the bottom of the engine's oil pan. It's usually an 8mm hex or 13mm bolt. Position your drain pan directly underneath, then carefully remove the plug. Remember, the oil will be hot, so exercise caution as it drains completely. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter. The cartridge-style oil filter housing is typically at the front of the engine and requires a 27 or 32mm socket to remove. Replace the old filter and O-ring with new ones, then reinstall the drain plug with a fresh washer, tightening it to about 18 to 22 foot-pounds. Finally, add approximately 4.5 to 5 quarts of your new synthetic oil. You're almost done. Start your engine and let it run for about 1 minute to circulate the new oil. Then, turn it off and check the oil level using your dipstick or the electronic gauge. Carefully inspect for any leaks around the drain plug and oil filter housing. Lastly, reset the service indicator light by using the trip odometer button on your dashboard, following the specific steps for your Mini Cooper model.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.